It's showtime!
Oh god, he's pissed, he's pissed!
Tornado or what? I should kick your f***ing ass! What the f***? What does that say? What?
For Kaskaskia River at Vandalia.
What?
From Thursday morning to late Saturday morning. At 18.0 feet, minor flooding begins. Unprotected farmland begins to flood. At 10:30 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 15.7 feet. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to 18.3 feet tomorrow evening.
Oh.
It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning to 12.4 feet and begin rising again Monday evening.
Hi.
It will rise to 12.6 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall again and remain below flood stage.
Flood warning.
Flood stage is 18.0 feet.
Alright. What? I'm waiting for my test, and you give me a flood warning? What the f***? Why not?
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of the impending hazard. This test is normally conducted briefly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties that the EAS 97 is listening at. The test and the city of St. Louis, Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. South wind per hour gust to around 25 miles per hour in the morning, shifting to...
Okay, I need to complain real quick. First, St. Louis, you issue a flood warning before the test. But what is this? Okay, hold on. What is up by 262? Flood warning. Unrecognized word. What? Okay. But good job.